Udebalugo, Anamwajawago, Anaputago, Ifebego, Yamaboni, 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 looking at Papa, whatever, Obama season. Now we day, yeah. Now we day, yeah. Happy birthday to you. If you ever talk on the no love for man, you have no choice. If you go to pocket, I need you ever talk on the belly. Security confirm, the man who do not you know, the man I mess with but over that you can find it, the man I'm dead, and I'm dead. I hope you want to make it go. I don't share what you want to do. I'm not going to worry. I'm not going to lie. I don't want that.
Jesus, I come in Jesus, ikperem dinala.
NigerFlavor.com.
What have you not done for me, oh Lord? I'm grateful.
Oh, what is it you want to Oh, our brother, our friend, our father. Don't let it be very catching while you knew Bulugonda. Even your mammy, with a mammy Solomon. You did you in a Lekotarian, my gun, and you will never. They will have made to be in a little. Oh, run with me. I got you continue. I got it in me.
Christ and desires in Jesus' name. Amen. At the long life and prosperity in Jesus' name.
Amen. For all you have done for me, what have you not done?
What have you not done?
I'm blessed the person that came up the help of Jesus. Amen. That God come and bless him in Jesus. Amen. That God come and bless him as he is Nazareth country in Jesus. Amen.
Celebrating no less personality than Ezigbo Ghana, His Royal Majesty, Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukwudi Dihane II, Ezo Hazurime I of Ghana, as he turned 50 years, a milestone in his life. For those of us who are his friends, who are his brothers, who are also his subjects, both home and abroad, we saw it as an opportunity to celebrate this icon, to celebrate this humanitarian par excellence, to celebrate this philanthropist of no small degrees, as we move to more or less babies home, to recreational center, reprises, to distribute some food relief materials, and also share some moments with the prison inmates and also pray for them, including the orphanage homes, as part of our programs to mark the 50th birthday anniversary of His Royal Majesty as a Doctor Ambassador Chukwudi Dihane II, who deemed it right to seize the opportunity, the auspicious date of his birthday, to touch lives as he has been doing both in Ghana, both in Nigeria, people that he has given scholarship. He has also built and donated classrooms to some community schools in Ghana.
I come to know you.